Hello students, welcome back. Class 9 students. Today I am discussing our chapter 8 and 9 internal and external MCQ questions with answers. So today I am discussing chapter 8 word processing applications and internal MCQ questions of chapter MCQ questions. Okay, which of the following is an extension of a Word document? So we know very well .docx. A small vertical blinking line in Word document is called, we know very well, cursor. Word is a product of Microsoft. Which option do you select to save an existing document after making the changes with a new name? So we can use save as command. Which tab do you access to select either open or save? So we can use file tab we can use. Which of the following enlarge the window up to its standard size? We know very well maximize button we can use. Which tab opens up in Word by default? So by default we can say home tab you can see. What do you use to measure the page layout in points, inches or centimeters? So we can use ruler. It is a measurement. Which of the following is not true about a ribbon? Okay, insert is a default ribbon. This is not true. But in ribbon we can have several set of commands, hold commands in group. This is true, but insert is the default ribbon is not true. Which of the following press to make text italic? Italic we can use Ctrl+I. The button B, I and U are available on the, we can say, formatting toolbar you can use. In which ribbon is the phone group present? So we can use home tab. Okay, we can use. In which tab do you click to access spelling and grammar? Spelling and grammar available on review tab. A red wavy line below a word in document indicate it is a spelling error. What would you do remove the red wavy line below the correct word? We can use ignore the word. Ignore the word. The thesaurus provides synonyms and antonyms, so we can say both A and B. To access thesaurus we can use in review button, then we can use thesaurus. The keyboard shortcut to open thesaurus, so we directly use Shift plus F7. So we can say the particular word meaning and antonyms. The paste option is always highlighted after selecting. We can use cut or copy operations. You can access copy, cut and paste option using home tab. Okay. Which of the following is used to create duplicate copy of text? So we can use copy and paste. Which of the following is keyboard shortcut to cut the text? First we select data, then we can use Ctrl+X. The shortcut key to use find tool, so we can use Ctrl+F. Okay. Which option will you use to replace all the occurrence of the search word? So we can use directly replace all. So we can replace all the values. Which keyboard shortcut do you press to open the find and replace dialog box? So we can use Ctrl+H. Which of the following is not a order list? So you can see rice, bread and capsicum. Okay, this is not, because here there is no serial number. This is a design, so we can say this is not order. This is a bulleted list. In which group bullets and numbering options are present? We can say paragraph. Okay, in paragraph bullets and numbering option available. Which of the following is not a part of font group of? So bullets is not a part of our font group. This is a part of paragraph group. To open font dialog box, so we can use dialog launcher arrow of font group. The keyboard shortcut to align text is center, so we can use Ctrl+E. All the alignment are present in, or we can say left, right, center, justify in paragraph group. Which of the following is the default alignment of text? So we know very well, left alignment always. Which of the following is a default view of Word? So we can say page layout, we can say print layout. Which of the following view is basically used to quick edit a document? So we can use draft view. Which of the following view provide maximum space for reading and commenting a document? So we can use full screen reading. So we can use full screen reading to provide maximum space for reading and commenting a document. Which view is useful to work with document when it has large number of page and sections? So we can use outline view. So we can use the outline view is useful to work with document when it has large number of page and section. The shortcut key to open the print dialog box, we can use Ctrl+P. Which of the following is not a type of orientation? So collated is not a type of orientation. Only portrait and landscape is our orientation. So collated is not a type of orientation. In tables vertical section we can say columns. The interaction of rows and columns we can say cells. Which of the following option enables you to combine multiple cells? We can use merge cell. Which of the following tabs become activated when you select a table? So we can use design and layout. Which of the following is not a part of row and column group of layout 2? So we can say insert row is not a part of row and column group. Which of the following tabs do you click to access convert text to table? Convert text to table, so we can use insert tab. Okay. The option convert to text is present in, we can say, data group of layout tab. Data group of layout tab. So you can see your answer, you can change the answer. The layout is the right answer. Okay. You can see which of the following do you click the access convert text to table? So we can use layout. Okay. Insert is not right answer. You can change only layout, and convert to text we can use data group of layout tab. So you will change the layout is right answer. To add border to page you will click page layout, page borders. Okay, this option you keep in mind. Which of the following is not a tab of border and shading dialog box? So we can say border is not a tab. Okay. Which of the following option remove shading? We can use no color. In which group of home tab shading option is present? We can use paragraph. Which of the following is not a part of page setup group of page layout tab? So print is not a part. Margin orientation is a part, but print is not a part. Which of the following is not a type of orientation? By escape, this is not a type of orientation. Okay. The tab selector available on the ruler. To access the ruler you will click, we can use view and ruler. Okay. This is our exercise. Okay, chapter 8. Which of the following is not a word processing application? Excel is not a word processing application. Which of the following are basic text editor? WordPad and Notepad. Okay. Which of the following is not true about word application? A commonly used presentation application. Okay, the word processing is not a presentation application, so it is not true. Which of the following is a keyboard shortcut to open a blank document in Word Explorer? So we can use Ctrl+N. What does RAM? Random access memory. The extension of Word document is .docx. The keyboard shortcut to open document we can use Ctrl+O. In which group the home ribbon feature bold italic? So we can use font group. Which of the following keyboard shortcut to spelling grammar? So we can use F7. Which activate in Word Explorer if you use shift plus F7? So we can use thesaurus. To create a duplicate copy of text we can use copy and paste. Which tool is used to replace? So we can use find and replace. Bullet are used for to making a unordered list, design list. Which of the following opens if you click dialog launcher of the font dialog? So font dialog box will open. The keyboard shortcut to align center we can use Ctrl+E. Full screen reading view provide maximum space for reading and commenting on document. Which of the to make bold we can use Ctrl plus B. The red line we know very well to show the incorrect spelling. Now here I am showing the chapter 9 spreadsheet applications MCQ internal questions. Which of the following consists of row and column? Worksheet we can say. The cell is identified by, first we use column letter alphabet, then we can use row number. Which of the following show you location of active cell? So name box will show the active cell. Which of the following allows to create a new copy of existing file to update, change, keeps the previous one with saving? So we can use save as. What do you do to save changes in existing? We can use save option. In which tab you get save and save? So we can use file option, file tab, so you can see. In Excel, formula begin with equal sign, which is used as separator for numerical value in thousands, 100, so we can use comma separator. Which of the following is correct formula? So is equal to, we must use then A1 plus A2, first column then row number in this style, so is equal to A1 plus B2. Which group used home ribbon to access auto sum? We can use editing. Editing will provide auto sum feature. On which option do you click access, insert and delete? So we can use option cells. If you delete a row, so the rest of the rows shift up. Which of the following is not present in font group? Margin is not present in our font group. To change the font, you can click font color. How many tabs in Excel interface by default? We can say 8 tab. Which of the following is not true about ribbon? In a ribbon, commands are arranged randomly in groups, so this is not a right thing. Which of the following do you click to select currency symbol? We can use accounting number format. In which ribbon do you find the number group? So we can use home tab. Which of the following is keyboard shortcut to run spelling? We can use F7 to check spell check. Which of the following ribbon contains the proofing group? We can use review. Which of the following do you click to insert a new worksheet? We can use insert worksheet button. We can switch among worksheet by clicking on shift tab. So we can move sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. On which tab do you click to print window? We can use file. Standard size of page, we can use A4. Exercise question, you can see the horizontal strip of spreadsheet are called, we can say row. The interaction of row and column, we can say cell. Here the remaining question. A cell with a dark boundary, we can say active cell. A group of adjacent cell, we can say a range, and formally can be entered directly into bar. How many worksheet a workbook contains by default? We can say 3. Which of the following keyboard shortcut to open a new workbook? We can use Ctrl plus N. To close workbook in Excel, we can directly use file and close. To exit an Excel we can use either we close or in control box, or we can use file exit. Which of the following keyboard shortcut to open existing workbook? We can use Ctrl plus O. Which of the following do you press to open save as? So we can use Ctrl S. To open a new workbook in Excel, we can use file, new, blank workbook and create. To open a new workbook, we can use file, new, blank workbook and we can use create. So this when you launch Excel in a workbook, sheet 1 by default you can see. In Excel, which key do you want to complete the entry? Either we can use enter key, either we can use tab key. So we can say both A and B is right. A cell which had text format, treat numeric, so we can say value is a number. Number are interpreted as date only if the enter is American date format. Which of the following do you click to get sum function? So we can use auto sum. You can copy a formula using fill handle. To combine two or more to adjacent cell into, so we can use merge cell. One of the following keyboard shortcut to run spell check, F7. Which of the following do you click to open print window? We can use file print. Which of the following is not a group of home tab? We can use page setup is not a group of home tab. Which of the following give a title effect? So we can use Ctrl plus U, means underline we can provide for title effect. Which step do you follow to run spell check in worksheet? We can use review spelling we can use to run spell check. Okay students, thank you so much. Today I am discussing chapter 8 and 9 internal and external MCQ question. Hope you this thing is very helpful to you.